Could you be doing so much more on your Walt Disney World holiday? Let's do it again. Yeah. Here's our top 5 tips for making the most of it. Tip number 1, pre-book.
Prices for our Disney's Ultimate ticket start from just £22 per person per day. It's a no-brainer to book in advance.
Tip 2. Another great thing about pre-booking is that you can book your Fastpass Plus in advance before you travel.
Disney's Fastpass Plus service allows you to select times for up to 3 attractions, shows, or character experiences in one park each day, so you don't have to wait in the standby line.
Tip 3. Keep track of attraction times, Fastpass Plus bookings and more on the My Disney Experience app using the free Wi-Fi in the parks.
Tip 4. Staying in a Disney Resort hotel means you get into a selected Disney theme park each day up to 2 hours longer than the other guests. Plus, you can make the most of complimentary resort transportation, including buses, boats, and the monorail.
To get you to the parks right when the gates open with no fuss. Tip 5. Even if you're not staying at a Disney Resort hotel, we recommend you get to the parks as soon as they open so you can start experiencing the magic even sooner. With all these helpful tips, you can get the most out of your days at Walt Disney World's 6 incredible parks.